Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Claude AI to Xcode. First, go to the Entropy console and create an account or login. Then, generate a new API key. Copy the API key and keep it private because you will use it inside your app. Next, open Xcode and create a new project. Choose iOS app as the template. Then select Swift UI as the interface and set the deployment target to iOS 15 or higher. Now, create a new Swift file. Here, use URL session to send a post request to the Anthropic API endpoint, and for the exact URL, simply follow the API address shown on your screen. Then add the required headers, including x-api-key and Anthropic-version. After that, send the user's prompt inside the JSON body of the request. Next, open your content view file. Here, create add state variables for the prompt and the response. Then, add a text field for user input and a button to trigger the API call. When the button is tapped, call the Claude function and update the response variable. After that, display the result inside a text view or a scroll view so longer responses can't be shown properly. Finally, build and run the app, enter a question in the text field, then tap the button, and the Claude response will appear directly inside your app. That's it, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.